Hello everyone, I'm Sadman Sakib. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna talk about an awesome IDE which is called Trae, and for me it's better than Cursor or VS Code. So here you can edit your Figma or some any other tools into your IDE, and your AI agent can communicate between them and can write code for you. Is so awesome, and the pricing is also very cheap, and you can use cloud model and other so many models are available there. Gemini, you can use DeepSeek, GPT 4.0, 4.1, so many models are available there. Let's go and download this IDE. It's called Trae. So here I am on the website called trae.ai, and here you can see that download Trae IDE for Mac. If you're Windows, there will be an option for Windows also. So I will click save. So I will wait for till the download ends. So my download is complete, so we'll go here and click this file that we download it, and here I will just drag and drop this to my application folder, and the download is complete. Now I will go to my launchpad and I will search for Trae, and here is Trae. You can see I will click here and open the IDE. So I will click open. I'll click get started. I will choose the deep blue theme here, and the language is English. Continue. And I will import the configuration from my VS Code or Cursor. I have the configuration in my VS Code in this PC, so I will import from VS Code. So it will bring all the extensions and all the configurations that you have in your VS Code or in Cursor. So now you have to log in your Trae account. So I will click login. It will take me to the browser again. So I will log in with my Gmail. Continue. So here it's saying to log in with your desktop app, so I will do that. So now the authentication is complete. Here we are in our Trae interface IDE. So I will open a project to give you understanding what we can do. So I will click open folder, and I will go my Jamp HT docs, and I will open this project. Yes, I trust this author. So what I can do, so I can tell that, like, you can hold your cursor here and you can drag and drop this file into here and say in this file add another route for blog for route called maybe news, and let's wait for the magic, and it will create another route for you. And you can see these small details, like when cursor do this, they will give so many big messages, but here you can follow what the Trae is actually doing with some small messages, so you can follow up what it's doing. Also after it give the code, you can accept or deny it by here. Also, if there is so many changes, you can just click here. So for now I will reject this. I will not change my code here. What else we can do is, like, so for opening another new project, I will go to my finder in my htdocs. I hope you guys know what is htdocs. It's like a root folder for Jamp to host your website locally. So I will create a new folder called Trae project, and I will go back to Trae, and here I will click here open folder, and I will select this folder, open. Yes, trust is also. Now here I will select builder with MCP, go to add. I will search for Figma. So now here we need the access token. So I will go to the browser. I will logged in my Figma Figma account, and maybe I want to do this design, but before that I need to open the I need to create the API access key, and for that I will go here, click here and click settings, and then I will go to security, and then I will click generate new token, and I will give a name of the token. So trae tutorial, and I will give read-only access to everything, so that I don't have to create another API. So I give access for only read to all the options. So done, and now generate token, and I have the token. I will copy it. I will go back to trae. I will paste it here, confirm. So now it's connected. Now I will click here, and I will close this. I will select this design. I will copy the URL. I will go back to the trae, and I will say create this design for me using simple HTML, CSS, or Bootstrap maybe. Okay, and let's see what happened. As you can see, it's accessing to my Figma. It's asking for my permission, so I will give the permission, run. So it's creating an index.html. Now I'll just sit back here and wait for my agent to complete everything. You can see it give the CDN of Bootstrap, which is 5.3, pretty good. I hope it can create the design perfectly. So meanwhile, I will show you the design which I gave him. So this is the Figma design. The more good design you will give to trae, the more better output you will get. So yeah, it's again asking for my permission to run this locally run. Okay, I will give it the permission. Let's see. So it gave me a link. Unbelievable. You can see it's so amazing. It created all the necessary things for me. I mean, yeah, I need to give some more prompts, but it can read from my Figma model. I mean, my Figma design is not that much good, so it couldn't make this so it couldn't create this totally, but yeah, it's pretty good. And you can see that we can use Cloud 3.5, which is the best model, and also we can change the model from here. We can choose DeepSeek, GPT 4.1, Gemini, and so many other options. And if I talk about the price, it's not that much compared to Cursor. Like here in Cursor, it's $20 per month. It's pretty expensive, and also there are so many restrictions there. But in trae, if I go to the price section, so you can have the $0 free tier, or maybe you can do the take the $3 pro version. Maybe I will take this one. And after that, after the first month, you will have to pay $10, still cheaper than Cursor. Another thing I like about trae, you can go here and search your files folders, which is pretty good. So this is the trae IDE, and as a developer you should always learn new things, because nowadays AI is everywhere, so you always need to cope up with the base tools to survive in this market. So thanks a lot for watching my video, and I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel. I really need your support. Thank you very much.